Is the Thermanote Wireless Printer the innovative printing solution it claims to be, or just another tech gimmick preying on convenience? We're diving deep to uncover the truth. First impressions matter, and the unboxing experience is clean and minimal. Inside you'll find the printer itself, a charging cable, and a small roll of thermal paper to get you started, no ink needed. Setting up the Thermanote is a breeze. Simply download the companion app, turn on the printer, and connect via Bluetooth. The app is intuitive, guiding you through the pairing process step by step. Let's talk print quality. The Thermanote uses thermal printing, so expect black and white output only. Text is surprisingly crisp for its size, and image reproduction is decent for basic tasks like printing notes or labels. Don't expect high-resolution photo prints. Portability is where the Thermanote shines. Its compact size and wireless functionality make it perfect for on-the-go printing. Imagine printing shipping labels or receipts directly from your phone, anywhere, anytime. The app offers a range of features, including text editing, image cropping, and various templates for labels and banners. It's user-friendly, allowing for quick customization before printing. Now, let's address the big question: is it worth the investment? Considering its portability, ease of use, and the elimination of ink costs, the Thermanote offers great value for specific needs. However, if you need color or high-resolution prints, this isn't the printer for you. While it can't replace a traditional printer for all tasks, the Thermanote is a legitimate and useful tool for those who value portability and convenience. So, our verdict is legit. With a caveat: understand its limitations before you buy.